Hey guys, it's Roxy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a self-care video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to get ready for this upcoming week. It's Sunday. It's a really rainy day and I'm just going to relax and do some stuff that I really need to get done. So I don't really know what order to do all this stuff in, but I have a whole list of what I need to do. I decided the first thing that I'm gonna do on my list is shave my legs, but before I do that, I need to fold some laundry. So I'm still in my pajamas.
No.
Woke up at like 9 this morning because I set an alarm. Right when I got up, I started doing homework. I'm kind of behind in some of my classes, so I've really been working on that. I also just got a desktop computer. I used to have a Macbook Air, but it broke on me. I had it for like 4 years or 3 years, I don't know. I did a lot of geometry homework yesterday, and this morning I did some English homework. I had to email like 2 of my teachers. Yeah, that's what I've been up to. It's around like 12 o'clock and I've only had a banana this morning. Once I get out of the shower, I'm gonna probably eat some lunch. So I'm posting this on my main channel, but I don't know if you know this or not, but I have a vlog channel and I post a lot more on there. I don't know, I really enjoy doing vlogs. You guys should check out that channel. It's always linked down below. Okay. I'm going to be using the mistletoe bath bomb from Lush, and I have scissors to open it because I don't know how easy they are to open. I'm going to be using my old iPhone to play music because I'm filming on my phone. I'm using my speaker. It's a waterproof speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
It doesn't want to connect. That's mean. Well, it's not connecting, so I don't really know. I guess I'm not going to use your music now.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Alright, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm done. So I just put some lotion on and then I just changed. So I'm wearing this long sleeve from PacSun and I don't really know what it means, but it looks dope, so I bought it. And then I'm wearing these sweatpants that I thrifted. And I think I'm gonna put some fuzzy socks on because my feet are cold. Hey guys, so I'm currently in my bathroom and there's not really good lighting. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna use this mirror right here. I could be using this big one obviously, but I'm using this one so you guys can like see me applying it better. I'm doing a face mask. And I didn't really show what I ate, but I had 2 cheeseburger sliders and then I peeled an orange. So this is what I'm using for my face mask. It's a purifying charcoal face mask. Fresh and clears pores. And I'm gonna leave this on, it says 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 20 unless it's like burning my skin or something. So I'm gonna get scissors and I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh man. It's an actual mask. I thought it was gonna be like gel that I was gonna put on myself. This is fine. These never fit my face right. I'm gonna look so cute, guys. just scared my mom with my mask, so I can't really talk very well with this. So I'll just see you guys when the 20 minutes is over. So I'm gonna make some tea, but I don't really know how, so my mom's gonna come help me. That good? I'm gonna be using the Throat Comfort one. So we're back in my bathroom, and it's only been 10 minutes, and it said I could do 10 to 20, and I feel like it was burning my skin, so just 10 minutes is fine for me. So now we just gotta wait on the tea. I'm just putting my tea bag in here. My mom said to let that sit for 5 to 7 minutes, so I'm gonna let it sit for 7 minutes. While we're waiting for my tea to sit, I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite songs right now. My old iPhone is connected to a speaker thing, yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys my favorite songs right now.
When I sit back, swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C your purchase, you deserve it. Curvy little body, let it surface. Yeah, I'm on your body, make you nervous. I like the way you, the type that make you feel like I'm so worth it. When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, I ain't whip up shit. This you keep wishing you think I can turn to a fiend. For these bitches tryna stuff as much as I can. If I ever have to turn on the gang, I won't do it. Don't have to fear ghost. Scream free out of the house, but I ain't no fam going Cancun. Got the crowd going down, but I ain't no damn fool. If I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing.
So I heard this song for the first time yesterday, so I don't really know it, but it's really good, so I'm just gonna be dancing because I don't know the words to this. Oh, the tea is done. Oh my gosh, it's really hot. The next thing on my list is to paint my nails, but I really don't want to do that right now. I don't know why. I'm feeling really lazy, so I'll probably do that later. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to bed. I never ended up painting my nails just because I was lazy, and like my nails have been painted a lot recently, so I think they just need a break. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel or if you want to, you should hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and I love you.